Okay, we're doing it again. You're missing out on points. This time we're talking about the streaming services you're already subscribed to and using every day. In this video, we're going to talk about and reevaluate your card setup so you can receive 2, 3, even 5 points per dollar on your streaming subscription. But of course, before we get into all that, hi, I'm Lonnie and I'm a professional travel hacker and point stacker. Through the methods like the one we're going over today, I've been able to travel the world multiple times for free just by maximizing my credit card rewards. Today, I want to share my knowledge with you so you can set up your own personal travel hacking strategy. So when building your setup, we must consider a few things. First is choosing the right credit cards. There are many different credit cards out there that offer rewards for travel or cash back. So it's important to choose the ones that are right for your setup. Meaning, we must consider your spending habits and then choose cards that offer rewards in those areas. Secondly, please use your credit cards responsibly. It's important to use your credit cards responsibly if you want to maximize your rewards. Make sure you pay your balance in full each month to avoid interest charges and budget only what you can afford to repay. Third, if you're signing up for a new card, then take advantage of sign-up bonuses and extra point benefits, which I'm going to get into later. Many credit cards offer sign-up bonuses for new customers. These bonuses are a great way to earn a lot of points quickly. And lastly, be patient. Travel hacking takes time and effort. Don't expect to be able to travel for free overnight. Just keep using your cards responsibly and tracking your spending, and you'll eventually be able to reach your travel goals. With all of that out of the way, let's start building our setup. And for the sake of this video, I'm going to remove any cards that will automatically earn extra points, such as Chase Freedom Unlimited and the Citi Double Cash Back card. These cards will earn a standard inflated offer of 1.5 or 2% cash back, which is not dependent on the charge being a streaming service or not. I only want to focus on cards that offer bonus points for streaming services, which will give us a higher return on our investment. Once we've removed these cards, we can start to consider other cards that may be a better fit for our needs. We want to look for cards that offer high reward rates for streaming services, as well as any other features that may be important to us, such as no annual fee, cell phone protection, or maybe even travel insurance. So I narrowed this down to these 5 main cards, which we'll be looking at today. Kicking it off, we have the Chase Inc. Business Cash. This card has a $0 annual fee and offers 5% cash back or 5 points per dollar spent on up to $25,000 in combined purchases in the following categories each account anniversary year: internet, cable, office supplies, computer hardware, and travel expenses purchased through Chase Ultimate Rewards. But today we'll be focusing on cell phone services. Then the Chase Inc. Business Preferred. This card has a $95 annual fee and offers 3 points per dollar spent on the first $150,000 in combined purchases in the following categories each account anniversary year: travel expenses purchased through Chase Ultimate Rewards, dining, gas stations, office supplies, computer hardware, internet, cable, and also cell phone services. Next, we have the Chase Sapphire Preferred. This card has a $95 annual fee and offers 2 points per dollar spent on travel and dining, 1 point per dollar spent on all other purchases, but 3 points per dollar on select streaming services. And we'll get into some of those select services later in the video. Number 4, the American Express Platinum. This card has a $695 annual fee and offers 5 points per dollar spent on flights booked directly through airlines or through the Amex travel portal, and basically 1 point per dollar spent on everything else. But an additional benefit is that this card provides a $240 entertainment credit paid out as a $20 a month credit, also for select streaming services. And then lastly, the Bilt MasterCard. This card does not have any perks related to streaming services directly, but it does have a $0 annual fee and offers double points per dollar on rent day, just the first day of each month. Please note that these are just a few of the many great cards available. Be sure to compare offers and benefits and choose a card that best meets your needs. The goal is to bundle your subscriptions with a service provider or subscription to redeem the maximum value of points available. Then, make sure to pay using that card that earns the additional points. A quick example, if you have a subscription to Netflix and Spotify, you could bundle them together with a service like Hulu or Amazon Prime. This would allow you to get all 4 services for a lower price than what you paid for them individually. Additionally, if you pay for your subscriptions with a credit card that earns points for every dollar you spend, you could earn even more rewards. Got it? Okay, so on to number 1. Verizon Plus Play subscriptions. This is a subscription service that offers a variety of streaming options, including Netflix, Max, Paramount Plus, YouTube TV, Xbox Game Pass, Peloton, Washington Post, and more. You can subscribe to Plus Play through Verizon even if you are not a Verizon customer. Plus Play subscriptions are built separately from Verizon's standard wireless bill, but are still billed through the same billing system. Thus, it is coded as a cell phone utility provider on your credit card statement, triggering the enhanced points and rewards. Now, in this case, there are a number of credit cards that offer bonus points for cell phone providers, including the Chase Ink Business Cash, Chase Ink Business Preferred, and technically Built MasterCard. If you pay your Plus Play subscription with one of these cards, you can earn extra points. So let me show you how. The Chase Ink Business Cash offers 5% cash back on phone services, which would include your Plus Play subscriptions. The Chase Ink Business Preferred offers 3 points per dollar on your cell phone bill, which in this case will also include your Plus Play subscriptions. And the Built MasterCard offers double points per dollar on all purchases on the first of each month, except for rent. In this case, you'd normally receive 1 point per dollar, but if you pay on the first of the month, then that will be doubled to 2 points per dollar. The Built MasterCard also offers cell phone protection up to $800 as long as you pay your cell phone bill with the card each month. This protection can help you pay for repairs, replacements if your phone is ever lost, stolen, or damaged. Overall, Verizon Plus Play is a great way to save money on streaming services, no matter if you're a Verizon customer or not. And you also have the ability to earn bonus points with a variety of credit cards. Similarly, T-Mobile also offers a variety of streaming services that can be added to your cell phone bill, including Apple TV+, Netflix, Major League Soccer Pass, SiriusXM Radio, and Pandora. This is a great way to earn some extra points on your streaming services if you're a T-Mobile customer, as you can bundle them together with your cell phone bill. If you are a T-Mobile customer, be sure to check out the streaming services add-ons that are available to you. You may be able to save money and get access to some great content. Next, we have YouTube TV. This is a great way to get extra points as you can subscribe to many other major streaming services through it. This includes NFL Sunday Ticket, HBO Max, NBA League Pass, Showtime, Starz, Hallmark, Cinemax, and more. This makes the Chase Sapphire Preferred a great option to maximize your points, as this card receives 3 points per dollar on select streaming services, and YouTube TV is one of those select services. The benefit of this is that many of those additional add-on services I just mentioned would not qualify for any additional perks from the Sapphire Preferred or any cards. But being that all of these are being billed through YouTube, you win. Plus, YouTube TV will sync all of your add-ons into your home screen menus of your Chromecast or Google TV, so it prevents you from having to jump around from app to app to get to your favorite shows. If you're looking for a streaming service that offers a lot of value, YouTube TV is probably my number one option. For number 4, we have the Disney Plus bundle, which is a great option for those who want to subscribe to multiple streaming services. It includes Disney Plus, Hulu Plus, and ESPN Plus for one price. The Chase Sapphire Preferred and Amex Platinum are two cards that offer good rewards for streaming services. The Chase Sapphire Preferred offers 3 points per dollar on streaming services, while the Amex Platinum offers a $20 statement credit towards entertainment services each month, which could essentially make having the Disney Plus bundle free for you. So, what does my master streaming setup look like for max rewards? Let's begin with using the Amex Platinum card to get the Disney Plus bundle or a Sirius XM radio bundle for the car. Either option will cost you $20 per month, ensuring that you max out your entertainment credit. Then, with the Chase Inc. Business Cash card, I'd get Netflix, Paramount Plus, Max, Peloton, and any other memberships I'm interested in through Verizon Plus Play. This will provide the highest rewards back. Lastly, I'd use the Chase Sapphire Preferred card to sign up for everything else, such as YouTube Premium, locking in 3 points per dollar on any remaining streaming services that qualify, leaving anything outside of those select services for my Built MasterCard, where I'd set the billing for the first day of the month or pay manually on the first of the month to ensure I get the double points at 2 points per dollar. This setup will allow you to get the most out of your streaming services while also earning you potentially hundreds of extra points and rewards each month. And that is that. Another easy way to use your everyday streaming services to point stack your way closer to your next vacation. If you already take advantage of any of these methods, then leave me a comment and tell me how you maximize your points with your streaming services. If you're about to start using some of these methods or don't know which options would be best, then subscribe and also leave a comment so I can continue helping you out. Look, we're in this together. I'll also leave links to cards that I mentioned in the description below. Using my links does help me and the channel out, which allows me to continue making this type of content for you. Other than that, I got nothing left for you today. So peace out, and I will see you on the next vacation we don't pay for.